If you look at a map of the Philippines, the south edge of Mindanao seems calm, but just offshore is a powerful machine shaping the islands, the Cotabato Trench. And here's why I think it deserves way more attention. A trench is where one tectonic plate dives beneath another. At Cotabato, seafloor in the Celebes Sea is sliding under Mindanao. Imagine a conveyor belt dragging an ocean plate down into Earth. Rock bends, sticks, then slips. That stick slip is where big earthquakes are born. If you've heard of the 1976 Moro Gulf earthquake and tsunami, that was this system. In the middle of the night, a massive quake shook southwest Mindanao, and minutes later, walls of water hit the coast. Thousands of lives were lost. One fault, one night, and everything changed. So why Cotabato Trench? First, hazard. Manila Trench, Philippine Trench. It can produce strong shaking and fast-arriving tsunamis because communities sit close to the source. On some shores, water can withdraw and return in minutes, not hours. That makes education and early action critical. Second, it's a key piece of a tectonic puzzle. Microplates arcs faults. Cotabato helps absorb the stress of that collision, steering how Mindanao uplifts where volcanoes align and how strain transfers to faults on land. When I picture Mindanao rising from the sea, I'm really picturing energy budgeted by this subduction zone. Third, science payoff. By measuring tiny movements with GPS and seafloor instruments, researchers can estimate how fast the plate dives and where stress is building. That feeds tsunami models, building codes, and evacuation maps. Every extra sensor here can save lives later. And finally, the deep sea itself. Trenches aren't just scars, they're habitats. Cold, dark, high-pressure worlds where strange life thrives on falling marine snow and chemical gradients. Studying Cotabato's depths can reveal how carbon moves to the deep ocean and how ecosystems adapt at the edge of survival. So what should you remember? If you feel long or strong shaking on these coasts, don't wait for an alert. Move to high ground immediately. Know your route before you need it. Build mountains, feed fisheries, reset coastlines. An invisible boundary offshore is writing Mindanao's story in real time. The better we read it, the safer and smarter we become.